Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I have a fashion or style video. I'm going to show you how to dress up your denim shirt. I feel like a denim shirt is a staple wardrobe for everyone. I have one here. This is soft denim. It's a bit light blue. I would have loved it darker, but this is what I have. It's from Stradivarius. I hope I'm saying it right, but you can get them from anywhere. Topshop, Levi. I had a very good one for Levi, but then I became bigger. So I'm going to show you how to pair this denim shirt in many ways depending on your personal style. We always say ensure that whatever you wear matches your personal style. that marks the end of the video, guys. Finally, this outfit is not me, but it's for young people. And again, I was trying to wear the denim shirt in different ways for different personal styles. So this is very edgy. I would never wear such a thing. Catch me dead. I don't know what it had campus. But hey guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Also, that's what people do. Hope you enjoyed the video, and let me know what you think. And as usual, follow, subscribe, like, share. I can't wait to get 50,000. And until next time, guys.